Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Natural Born Prepper. Today I'm coming to you from a mountain just outside of Victoria on the southern part of Vancouver Island. If you look off in the distance, you can actually see the city of Victoria. It was about a 2-hour hike to get up here. For those of you new to my channel, I created it to help get people to learn about and sign up for preppingcommunities.com. It's a platform I created to help preppers and homesteaders connect, prepare, and share information and resources, and to generally become more self-sufficient. So in my last video, I talked about the quizzes and tests section on preppingcommunities.com. You can take any one of the 85 free tests to check your prepping knowledge and homesteading skills. It's a great way to challenge yourself and learn more about survival. But today, I wanted to introduce you to something new and exciting on our website called maps. I developed dozens of maps designed to help you find crucial information that every prepper and homesteader needs to know. And they're all available for free to all members on preppingcommunities.com. Use the maps to find things like reported and forecast food shortages, so you know where food shortages have been reported or forecast to be strained. Use the maps to find the best and worst places to live based on recent immigration and crime data, because safety is always a top priority. Maps are important to preppers to find information on things like the best places to survive off the land for those who want to live off-grid or need to bug out. Use the maps to find the best bug-out locations to help you plan your escape route when disaster strikes. Maps can also be used to find top places for foraging if you're looking for the best spots to find wild edibles. And you can use the maps to find the safest places to avoid natural disasters, because knowing where to avoid danger is just as important as knowing how to survive it. And in addition to all these new maps I've created, the coolest part is I've also created individual maps for each state and province across North America, which combine all this information into one easy-to-use map. Whether you're in the United States or Canada, you'll be able to find everything from the best places to survive off the land to the safest bug-out locations, all right in your area. I've put a lot of effort into making these maps as complete and comprehensive as possible, but I'm always open to new suggestions. If there's a type of map you think is missing, let me know in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to add it. Now here's some good news for those of you who haven't yet signed up for preppingcommunities.com. For a limited time only, if you sign up for free, you'll be grandfathered into the gold membership status, which means you'll have full access to all the tests and all the mapping features you've just seen in this video. So head on over to preppingcommunities.com, sign up for free, and start prepping today. So I'm just near the end of about a 12K hike up to the top of the mountain. On my way back, starting to get dark. If you like this video, hit the like button below, subscribe to my channel, Natural Born Prepper, and share this video with your friends and family. That's all for today, folks. Natural Born Prepper, out.